What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Tonic, we're looking a little bit bullish. We're looking a little bit bullish on Tonic, man. We're gonna see what happens, man. It looks, are we gonna see a nice little breakout for Tonic? They got the Crow ecosystem starting to pop. A few projects in the Crow ecosystem starting to make a move up, guys. So we're gonna keep an eye out for that. We're gonna dive into it on this one, guys. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Tonic and myself will be in the description. Tonic fan, buckle up, let's get into it, man. So Tonic right now sitting at $26.3 million in market cap with 56k in 24-hour trade volume, up 58% on the volume, man. Volume, man, not ma'am. But you can see on the one-day chart, man, it's forming this nice rounded bottom, and it's starting to make a nice little pop up. Let's see something real quick, because right now Bitcoin is coming down, right? If you take a look at Bitcoin is going down, and you know, Bitcoin is back below that 30k mark, but Crow is starting to move up. And guess what's following Crow? The Kronos ecosystem. Tonic is, guys. So you can see on the one-day chart, Crow is starting to move up, and Crow is bringing you know, its altcoins on the way with it. The top altcoins on Crow. Remember, like I said, it's gonna be VVS, Tonic, and potentially Vino as well, right? But yeah, guys, you can see Tonic right now moving up with Crow, man, and that is very nice stuff, guys. I think you know, could we see some breakouts here? I think that's possible for Tonic, man. Wouldn't rule anything out, guys. From Tom Squires, what are the possibilities? Travala, founded in 2017, looks awfully familiar. Brings me back to finding exacting white paper language on Tonic from Av. Okay, nice theory you got. Tonic, what a time to be alive. Have patience. Digital bank from the future, shout out to you. From Chiapet, an early inexpensive utility token. Hold and have patience, and that's all it is, man. That's really all it is. Hold and have patience. Crypto Cowboy, patience is one of those things you just have to have when you invest in this project. I've been here for over a year and a half, and getting passive income is the only thing you can do for now. That's all it is, man. That's really all you can do when it comes to certain altcoins, guys. Just have patience. Let the team build. Let the community grow. Let it be organic. Let it be a natural growth, guys. And you know, just hold on for dear life. It may get boring. Well, go deal with other things in life, man. Make sure your bag is packed in the conviction, in the a project that you have high conviction in. And you know, I know you know, if it's Tonic, that is your high conviction play. Make sure your bags are packed, and then if you want to go try to get some gains elsewhere, you do that, right? But make sure your bags are packed in good altcoins first before you start to, you know, try to go around, have fun with meme coins, or try to get quick trades and stuff like that. Make sure your altcoin bags are packed first, right? So I know most of you guys that are watching have your Tonic packed. Just hold and just be patient, man, because you can see, man, as Crow grows, you know, crypto.com top used exchange, the crypto.com token will keep, not even token, coin, because it is a blockchain now, right? The crypto.com Kronos coin will continue to grow, and its ecosystem will continue to grow with GameFi, metaverses, more and more DeFi projects coming into it. But Tonic, being one of the top DeFi projects on Crow, will grow with the ecosystem, guys, in my personal opinion. And you can see that in the chart on the one day, which is very bullish, man. No new updates from the official Twitter, but the Twitter account seems to be growing, which is nice. From Crypto Maison, Crow, Tonic, VVS are sparking up right now, right? See, so Crow is bringing a few coins with it on the way to the upside. Look at that. We got Crow, and then we got oh, he doesn't have the image of Tonic here, but you can see Crow is starting to move up, man. Somebody's buying up all the Crow, and they're buying up all the Tonic as well. Asian 00, imagine waking up Tonic lost a 0 overnight. It can and will happen one of these days, and I really think that is gonna happen, man. That is very possible. 2 to 3 zeros, who knows, man. 2 zeros, highly possible, guys. Very, very possible. So don't sleep, be patient. As the Crow ecosystem grows, I know Tonic will also. Shango, leverage trading in the Tonic roadmap, probably nothing, probably not an indication of clarity. Tectonic, best money market on Chronos. Exactly, guys. You guys see, for example, GMX, right? GMX is like the, I would say, the Tonic of Arbitrum, right? GMX is the Tonic of Arbitrum with $452 million in market cap. Another project that is similar to Tonic at $1 billion in market cap is AV, right? Top DeFi projects, right? And Tonic is the AV for Chronos. That's what Tonic is, and that's what it's accomplishing every day, man. More and more TVL is coming into the Tonic ecosystem. Wait until the bull run is back, and then we start to see a ton of new retail investors get into the space, guys. It's gonna be crazy. Just be patient. From Easton, would love to see Tonic make big moves again and gain soon. It will, man. Just be patient, like really. And when it does happen, it's gonna take everybody by surprise, just like how it did back here. It's gonna just start to bounce and go crazy. It could be in the start of the move for right now. Actually, if you take a look at the 7-day, it could be starting, man. So we'll see what happens with that, guys. Tonic fam, if you're bullish, you're holding Tonic. You got Crow, you got VVS, you're part of the Crow ecosystem. Support the channel. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views. Tonic fam, spread the awareness. I want to see Tonic plastered all over YouTube, guys. That's the goal, man, for virality and awareness, right? Thank you guys so much for the continued support. Can't thank y'all enough. You guys are the best, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I really appreciate you. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.